The ground beneath this lighthouse in PEI eroded so much it needed to be physically moved back by a local family back in January of 2020 to prevent the over 100-year-old structure from toppling over into the bay.
Essentially, we're just a big sandbar.
Dr. Adam Fennick of UPEI's School of Climate Change and Adaptation says his studies looking at historical erosion rates identify 17 of the island's 63 lighthouses as at risk. His climate lab goes around to 100 locations across the island to put pins in the ground and measure the shoreline by flying drones. He says on average 28 centimeters are lost per year to coastal erosion, but some places on the island are losing almost 5 meters per year. One of the most important factors is the seasonality of the sea ice.
The sea ice on the north shore of Prince Edward Island, it acted as a buffer or defense against the strong winter storms that we get. And when that sea ice is not there, or it's not there during the storm season, then that just increases the erosion.
In downtown Charlottetown, this group has been meeting every Friday for the past 3 years to try to draw more attention to pressing issues involving climate change, like coastal erosion.
We're one of the most vulnerable places in the country, in that the island is losing square meters every year.
Dr. Fennick says it's not just lighthouses that are vulnerable.
We've identified that over 1,000 homes and cottages are particularly vulnerable to coastal erosion. 55 kilometers of road are vulnerable.
With lighthouses normally put on the edge to aid in navigation, they're now becoming a beacon of what lies beneath them, which on PEI is mostly made up of sand and sandstone.
There's a tendency to talk about 2030 or 2050 when we need to talk about what we're doing now.